I'm very lucky to be able to do something like this at such short notice. And I'm very lucky to be living in a country where this is so accessible to so many people. What I've been thinking about a lot is how your thoughts influence your feelings. If you think about something horrible happening in your life now, you'd probably feel fear, concern, worry. Equally, if you thought about something amazing that would happen in your life, you won the lottery, you saw a certain person, I don't know, yeah, you saw a golden retriever, you'd probably be pretty happy. And sometimes your own thoughts aren't acting in your own best interest. And what I mean by that is if you overthink or you spend a lot of time with your own thoughts, I think there's a bias towards you feeling like all of the thoughts are true. And if you're going through a hard time, those thoughts may turn into some unnecessary dwelling on past events, current events, future events. And those rabbit holes aren't doing anything good for you. What I've found works to combat that is to externalize those thoughts and to talk to yourself out loud and hear what you're thinking. When I've walked across this beach a number of times while I've been here, I've spoken these things that have been on my mind and been able to evaluate them much more clearly, and they've been ridiculous, some of these thoughts. I'll say what I think and then I'll say to myself, what am I saying here? What am I trying to do? What am I worried about? Why am I thinking like this? And I can quickly realize that my own thoughts are working against me. It's been an incredible past few days here at the Mount, and I'm sad to see the trip coming to an end. I'm really grateful that I was able to come down here and spend some time to relax, unwind, and be with nature. Something I've come to realize is really meaningful to me, and I need to do it more often. I hope you've enjoyed some of these views just as much as I have. See you in the next video.